Squeakwasin. Ganupiam. Hello, welcome. Nataswis Lynsea at Englishset. Nataswis Wamasukatan at Narragansett. So what I just said there was, my name is Lynsea in English. My name is Wamasukatan, or Loving Sea in the Narragansett language. What's your name? That's a good name. So today we're going to be talking about cranberries.
Kanupiam kisak katavatai katanduat katavatai kanupiam kisak katavatai katanduat katabatas nasbinu amanitos katabatas katanduat kamaguanat. Today's episode is about cranberries.
I'm so excited to see you guys today. So as I said earlier, today we're talking about cranberries. Have you ever had a cranberry before? You have. Was it good? I think they're kind of sour. It was wonny. So, do you guys know how to say cranberry in the Narragansett language? It's sasamaniash. Sasamaniash. Can you say sasamaniash? Good job. So sasamaniash means cranberries. I wonder, did you know that the Narragansett people celebrated 13 Thanksgivings a year? That's so many Thanksgivings. I can't even count them on my fingers. I need 3 more fingers. That's a lot of Thanksgivings. But there's a lot of reasons to give thanks. And one of those reasons is a cranberry, and so we would celebrate our cranberry Thanksgivings right around now when the cranberries are starting to grow and we can pick them. One thing that we would do at our Thanksgivings is tell stories. I actually have a story about how we got our cranberry. Would you like to hear it? You would? If you'd like to hear the story, I need you to say Nakis, which means yes. Can you say Nakis, Nakis? Good job, Nakis. We'll tell the story. Many, many moons ago, Katantwit the Creator saw the Narragansett people working hard in their village. For their hard work, he gifted them with berries. He told the berries each morning to raise their head towards the sun so that they could soak in all the sweetness. When they were ripe, the Narragansett people would be able to pick and eat them. The berries did just that. First the strawberry, then the blueberry, but the cranberry just slept. Day after day, the berries would wake and soak in the sweetness of the sun, and day after day, the cranberry would sleep. The berries would call out to him, "Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!" But Cranberry ignored their calls and continued to sleep. One by one, all of the berries were collected until there were none left. But Cranberry kept sleeping. Katantwit grew angry and sent a harsh wind to wake him up. Realizing that he had slept all summer long, Cranberry desperately tried to get some of that sweetness from the sun. The Narragansett people noticed him poking out his head and picked him at once. He wasn't as sweet as the other berries, but they cooked him and ate him all the same. Hanivre, the end. Did you like the story? If you did, say Nakis. Nakis means yes, remember? You did like the story? Oh, I'm so happy. So I wanted to share with you some cool cranberry facts, because who doesn't like learning? Number 1, a lot of people think that cranberries grow in water. While cranberries may need water to grow, they actually don't grow in water. But one thing that is true is they're made up of 90% water. Maybe that's why they're so juicy and good. Cranberries are indigenous to North America. Do you know what indigenous means? Indigenous means from the place of. So that means that cranberries are from the place of North America. That's where they came from. And that's like, I am Narragansett, and Narragansett people are indigenous to Rhode Island, but there are lots of different tribes, and those tribes are indigenous to different places, and they all eat different things and live in different houses and speak different words because they are indigenous to different places. Now you know the word indigenous. That's great. Do you guys want to learn how to draw a cranberry picture of your own? Well, come on, let's go. For this lesson, you're going to need a black marker, a pencil, a paper cup, a red marker, a yellow marker, and a purple marker. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put our paper cup down and outline it with our pencil. And if you make any mistakes, feel free to erase. That's why we're doing it in pencil. Circle does not have to be perfect. Next, you're going to take your purple marker and you're going to trace half of the bottom, whatever part you'd like, and then turn it into a crescent moon. Now it can be thin like mine or it could be thicker, but that area is going to be shaded. And I know that it sounds crazy to do that with purple, but it's going to be your shading in the end and it's going to look nice. Next, you're going to take your red marker and you're going to outline the whole cranberry circle that you did in pencil. Then you're going to trace that little crescent moon that you made and color that in red. See how it doesn't really look purple anymore? Next, you're going to take one of your marker caps, not cups, and you're going to trace it right in the center. Then you're going to take your yellow and you're going to trace around that and even color in the circle. That's going to be the yellow. That's going to be the highlight because cranberries do have some yellow in them. Then you're going to take your red again and you're just going to color in everything except for the yellow. Everything that you haven't already colored. If you want to go back and color over the purple again, do however makes you feel comfortable. Art is subjective. Then you're going to put a little dots all over the yellow. That's called pointillism, and you're going to use that for shading. They can be big or small. Then you're going to take your black marker and you're going to trace the outside, and then you're going to do a little C shape right in your circle. And finally, if you would like, you could add some little lines to the bottom to add some depth, or you could even do another crescent moon underneath right by the purple side because that's the darkest part in your black marker and create a shadow. Don't be afraid to add a little bit of whiteness. And that's your finished cranberry. Now if you would like to make one that is like the cranberry from the store, you're going to start the same way by tracing the cup, and feel free to switch the size of the cup that you use. And don't forget you can erase. Then you're going to trace the outside with your red marker. Trace that circle well. Then you're going to take your tiny cap and you're going to make little cheeks by tracing the outside of the cap on both sides of the cranberry, wherever you want the cheeks to go. Then you're going to take your yellow marker and color those circles in nice and yellow. Next, you're going to take your pencil and draw your eyes however you want them. I tried to do it upside down so you guys could see. And I did little crescent rainbow shapes, and then I put little circles inside them. You don't have to color it in with pencil, but I just wanted you to be able to really see what I was doing. But feel free to make the eyes and the mouth however you'd like. And for the mouth, again, just a little smile. As thick as you want, but I wouldn't add teeth because I don't know any cranberries that have teeth. I used a very thick marker, but I would actually recommend that you use a thin marker to do this. Then you trace around the circles, you trace around the eyes and the mouth, and color the rest in red. Make sure to take your time and color in the lines because cranberries really are round. Once you've got it colored in, you can stop here if you want, but I did choose to outline mine in black. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you want to stop here. But then, if you want to finish it off, you can outline it with a black circle. And look at the difference that makes. There's so much to learn about cranberries. So now you guys know that cranberries are said sasamaniash. I know you guys remembered, but do you know how to just say one berry? Mun. And do you know how to say berries? Maniash. And you can hear that in sasamaniash. Well, I got something fun for us to do. We're gonna learn our colors in Narragansett with our berries. Now I have this beautiful berry basket, and let's see what's inside. Our first berry, our first mun. Do you know what color that is? Green. Well, yeah, it's green, but in Narragansett we say askaski. Askaski means green. Can you say askaski? Wani. Askaski, askaski, askaski. Let's see what else we have in here. Do you know what color that is? Yes, it's blue, but in Narragansett we say pashawi. Can you say pashawi? You guys are really good at this. Pashawi, pashawi, pashawi. I wonder what else we have in here. Ooh, I love this color. Do you know what this color is? It's purple, or we say sucky, sucky, sucky. Can you say that? Good job. See the next one. Oh, the color of Nipawu's the sun. Wasawi. Wasawi is yellow. Wasawi, wasawi. What's this color right here? Do you know what this color is? Yes, it's white, and white is wompy in the Narragansett language. Can you say wompy? Wompy, wompy. Good job. There's only one last one in here. Do you know what color it is? It's black, and that is mooey. Mooey, mooey. Can you say mooey? But I think you guys noticed something. I think we're missing a color. Do you know what color we're missing? That's right, we're missing red, the color of cranberry. How can we not have the color of cranberry in our cranberry basket? Where are those cranberries? Maybe we should call them. Say sasamaniash, sasamaniash, sasamaniash. Wait, you know what will get them to come here? If we say come here in the Narragansett language, how we say that is pionche. Can you say pionche? Yeah, you can hear that up here in my nose. I'm saying pionche. Let's try it all together. 1, 2, 3. Pionche, pionche, pionche. I think we need to do it louder. Pionche, pionche, pionche. I think they can hear us. Let's try it one more time, really loud. Pionche, pionche, pionche. Here they come.
There you are, Sasamaniash. There are so many musky red cranberries. Let's count them. Naquit, Nisa, Nish, Yo, Napana, Quata, Inada, Swosuk, Paskuga, Piok. Naquit, Nisa, Nish, Yo, Napana, Quata, Inada, Swosuk, Paskugit, Piok. Naquit, Nisa, Nish, Yo, Napana, Quata, Inada, Swosuk, Paskuga, Piok. Piok Sasamaniash, 10 cranberries. Great job counting, everybody.
All that counting cranberries made me so hungry. Are you hungry? Me too. Do you know how to say hungry in Narragansett? Nakata means I am hungry. And if you're really hungry, you can say Wuna nakatap. I am really hungry. Wuna nakatap. I am really hungry. So, maybe we should watch a video about eating cranberries and have a little snack. Let's go.
Una nakatap, una nakatap. I am very hungry. Sasamaniash. Una nakatap, una nakatap. I am very hungry. Sasamaniash. Una nakatap, una nakatap. I am very hungry. Sasamaniash. Una nakatap, una nakatap. I am very hungry. Sasamaniash. Una nakatap, una nakatap. I am very hungry. Sasamaniash.
Thank you all for coming today. Our time here today has come to an end, but I hope I'll see you next week. Before we can go, we have to do one thing. We have to say goodbye in the Narragansett language. Are you ready to learn one last word? It's hawunsek. Can you say hawunsek? Hawunsek means goodbye. Hawunsek. Hawunsek. See you next week. Hawunsek.